It was the transition from Christmas to Valentine's Day, but it's time to make a change. As a first step, I'm just going to start removing all of the Valentine's Day decor. Here I'm removing those lights, and when you remove battery operated lights, just make sure you remove the batteries, otherwise you may ruin the item during storage. Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. Love this. I still remember the days I prayed for the things I have now. I'm probably going to leave this up by my television. I'm just going to take it away from the mantelpiece. Also removing that XOXO sign, as well as those Christmas trees or holiday trees that I had up for both Christmas and Valentine's Day. Taking down those flowers. Now, I really like them, and that's huge for me because I typically don't like artificial flowers. Here's where I'm removing that beaded red garland. Now, these are my masterpieces. I love, love, love them. They really brightened up the space for both Christmas and Valentine's Day. They were $30 each at Burlington Coat Factory. Alright, so everything has been taken down for Christmas, or at least pretty much. So what do I do now? Well, I wipe everything down because some of those things have been up since before Christmas, and it's now March. So I want to make sure this area is squeaky clean. So, as a first step, I'm going to add my holiday wreaths, and I use these holes or attachments to display my wreaths for the season. I made these bunny wreaths, and they match, you'll see that they match the rest of the decor. So, bunny wreaths as a first step, just because they're easy. Alright, so the wreaths are up. And I might trim them a little bit, but that's essentially how they look. My next step is to put out this garland. So I got this from Michael's, and it was 30% off of $39.99, and I added these lights. If you saw the video when I redid my teenage son's bedroom, his name is Miles, I had these lights up in his room and he hated them. So I said, why waste them? I'll use them for this wreath. So I wrapped the majority of the wreath with these lights. So you simply, they're battery operated, just as the other ones were, and you simply switch, and so you'll get this look. So I'm trying this out for the mantle. And now you see me putting up my favorite photo. It's my 3 children during a previous Easter. I got it transferred to Canvas using Canvas on Demand for less than $25. It's 3 feet wide, 2 feet long. I just love it. In addition to the canvas, notice that I added those 2 signs. One says he is risen and the other says Happy Easter. This is another wreath. And I'm adding that on top to see if it gives me what I'm looking for. So now we're adding the Easter tree that we made, and there's a video to show you how to do that. Here we're adding the He is Risen banner, and I love the colors. I just wish it was another message since we already have He is Risen on the sign, but I like the colors. What I like about the banner is it's flexible. You can move the letters around, so I like that. Now we can add Black Jesus. So I got these eggs from Home Goods, and I was using them for my window upstairs, but they kept falling and they're just awkward to put on a windowsill. They're a little too big for that. So I am going to include these on the mantle. Added my lighted rabbit on the piano. Looks good over there. All right, good people, so we are complete with our seasonal resurrection decor. And we have our Black Jesus that we got from Amazon. These lighted eggs are $9.99 each. Got them from Home Goods. This banner, He is Risen, from Amazon. These 2 signs, He is Risen and Happy Easter. Those are from Hobby Lobby. This Easter tree we made ourselves with items from the Dollar Tree and Michael's. And then I also created these bunny wreaths to match my decor. This contains the burlap ribbon, and it is the one that's not wired, but you can use the wired one as well as this string right here from the Dollar Tree, and that's just to hold it in place. And then the white string is also from the dollar store. So what do you think of our Easter decorations? Do you like them? Is there something that you think we should add? Let us know down in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.